Okay, I will be taking this data modeling so that we can use the same CSV file that we have used during formation of the data modeling. Okay, the same files like customer file was there, product category file, product subcategory file, and sales 2015 and returns. Those files will be there in this.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. I have submitted my task 1.
This is
So when
class.
you will check it?
In the status call, you update me. Don't ask about the task in WhatsApp or during the class. Okay, only status call is
Okay,
meant
okay,
for it. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
it's a request from my side. Don't ask to no, I mean, most of the students are actually sending me messages in WhatsApp and asking to correct the task and all. Actually, status call is specially for I mean that task review and all. So you all please join during that time. If you're having problem with 4 o'clock, you can ask Prabin sir to include you in the morning session. Okay. Morning status call is at 12:30. So if you are having problem with 4 o'clock, you can join at 12:30. That are the 2 time slots available. Okay. So yeah. Now these are some of the tables that we have checked earlier, right? While doing data modeling and all, the same tables we have used. This is a dimension table, customers table, and this is product category table, including only the names of categories, and this is the product table, right? And this is just the subcategory and its key. Okay, this is regarding returns and this is for sales. And these two are actually fact table, rest of them are dimension table. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the data modeling session itself, I have mentioned what is dimension table and what is fact table. Is it clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes.
clear.
Okay. So today we will be dealing with some functions. Okay. So first of all, let us take this customers table, right? In this customers table, you can see name of the customer, their mail ID, their annual income, number of children they are having, their marital status, gender, educational level, then occupation, home on whether they are having a home or not. All those things are mentioned, right? Here you can see marital status. S means single, okay? S means single, M means married. Okay, in case of gender also, that also is clear. FM and not applicable. Female, male and not applicable. Then this email address, annual income, number of children, those things are mentioned. What is their occupation? What is their education level? And whether they are having a home or not. No and yes. And for no, Y for yes. Okay, that's it. So these many informations are available. So if we want to make a new column such that we are trying to implement a condition, like there is an option for new column, I will choose this new column. Now I am going to make a new column based on the condition that the person is having a home. Okay, that means homeowner is equal to Y and the person is single, for example. So marital status is equal to S, right? So that kind of people, if I want to filter out, so I can use if function. Okay, so I'm just naming the column as, see here column is coming, this is the column header in yellow color. The same thing is coming over here. If I change the name over here, I can alter the column header. So I will just write like home underscore single. Okay, that's it. Whatever name you want, you can give that particular name over here, but it should be understood. In that way, you can give any column header to the new column. Okay. So since I'm taking two conditions, so I will be using if function. If, okay, if is coming over here, I can click this also. Now I have to write what are the conditions. So first condition will be like within bracket I will be mentioning so that it is clearly distinct. So first condition was marital status is single, right? My voice is clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So first is marital status, okay? So when I am writing MAR, then itself that whatever thing starts with MAR or are having MAR letters within it, that they are coming. Okay, so I need this thing only. That is D hyphen customer is the name of the table and marital status the name of the column. So I will click this one. Okay, then I will write is equal to. Okay, then within double quotes I have to write the entry that is required. So I will write S, capital S. Okay, right, this is one condition. And if I want to check other condition and that too should be satisfied, then I have to write and. Okay, if both condition needed to be satisfied. Okay, so I should not write A and D, and instead of that double ampersand should be used. Okay, double ampersand. This is used for and condition, right? And next thing is in it I have to write the next condition. The next condition was the person is having home or not, right? So when I'm writing HO, then itself it is coming. Okay, so I will choose this one is equal to, then within double quotes I have to write Y, correct? The person is having home, right? These are the two conditions. Now if the two conditions are satisfied, then yes should come. Okay, like that I am writing yes. Okay, or in capital also I can write, that would be better. Yes should come when these two conditions are satisfied, comma no. That means if the two conditions are not satisfied in some cases, then there no should come. Then I am supposed to close the bracket. Now you can see there is no red color over here. That means the this particular thing is not having any syntax error or something. So I can execute it. Okay, I will enter to enter. Now you can see home single, no is coming. Why? Because the person is single. In the first row you can see the person is single, but he or she is not having any home. They are not homeowners. Okay, so in some conditions yes will come. So here in this particular row you can see yes is coming. Why? Because the person is having home. Homeowner is equal to Y and the same person is single also. Okay, yes. That's why the two conditions are satisfied. That's why here yes is coming. Otherwise, when any of the two conditions is not satisfied, if or both of the two conditions are not satisfied, then no will come. Here you can see the person is not having home as well as the person is married. So that's why no is coming. So both conditions are satisfied, then only yes will come in case of and. So if you want to make a new column such that, okay, I will make a new column. Okay, I'm copying this particular statement, Control C, and now I'm going to make a new column. Okay, so here I'm writing home or what should be there, marriage and MAR. Okay, that's it. It's equal to Control V. Both equal to. I have to delete it. Okay. Now it is okay. Okay. So when I want only one condition to be satisfied. So instead of and double ampersand, I should write double pipe. That means or. Any one condition is satisfied, then yes will come. Otherwise, no will come. Okay. If both conditions are satisfied or any one condition is satisfied, then also yes will come. And if both conditions are not satisfied, okay, both of them are showing here instead of S, M is there, and here instead of Y, N is there. In such situation, no will come. Okay, so when I will execute it, see, earlier here no is there because homeowner is N, right? One condition is not satisfied, but another condition is satisfied, right? Marital status is single. So since at least one condition is satisfied, that's why yes is coming, right? So in the like in this case, yes, in this case you can see homeowner. The person is a homeowner, why? But the person is married. Okay, so that's why here no was there because the two conditions are not satisfied. Only one condition is getting satisfied. That's why here no came. But since one condition satisfied, that's why yes is coming over here. Is it clear, everyone? What do you understand by this if statement, how we can put conditions over there, and how we have to apply and or? Clear, right, everyone? Any doubts? You can put multiple conditions also. Okay, you can put 3, 4, any number of conditions that you want. Okay, but in between you should put what is necessary things like and or as per your I mean work, whatever you are doing. Okay, so this is about if condition, right? And let us move on to another thing like see if sometimes it happens that you have to like wait a second, I will make you understand. Like January, okay, January, we can write it as Jan, okay. It is clearly understood universally, isn't it, all of you? Instead of January we use Jan, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
And
Yes,
in,
ma'am.
and right now November is there, right? November. Instead of November, what we used to write? NOV, right? Like that we use this first 3 letters, and it is universally understood that these 2 letters means this month or this particular month or that particular month, right? So it is basically understood. And in some cases, while we are making dashboards, sometimes the some entries will be very big, and sometimes we are able to make the short term also. Okay, that will be understood by all of us. So in such cases, we can use left condition. Okay, left. This function, not condition, this function we can use to extract left, let some letters from the left. Okay. So first of all, we have to write the column name with, I mean, column name we have to write. Okay. Which column? Okay. Then we have to write any integer. If I'm writing 6 over there, then first 6 letter I will be extracting from the left of that particular word. Okay. If I'm writing 6, then I will be extracting how much? 6 letters. Okay. And if I'm writing 3, I will be getting NOV. Okay. NOV. Okay, similarly, we will make a column over here. Okay, so first of all, see, this is occupation, and in this occupation, professional. If I want first 4 letters of this particular entry, so in that case, what I have to write? I will be writing left, then the column name, comma, number of letters that I want to extract from the left side, right? So I will be making a new column. Okay, let us take a new column. Right now, I will name it as simply OCC. Okay, OCC is equal to, instead of occupation, I am writing OCC. Okay, then I will be writing left. Left function I am using. Similarly, right function also you can use, but left is more appropriate, right? In order to make something short and all. So I can write like inside it, I have to write the column name. Okay, so what is our column name? Occupation, OCC. Okay, right? And then, wait a second. Now here OCC, by default, P is coming. I mean, if I am not mentioning anything, then first letter will be chosen. Okay, and if I am mentioning some integer number over there, comma 3, okay, then what will happen? First 3 letters will come over there. Okay, PRO. Right? If I am writing 4, then first 4 letters will come over there. Okay, concentrate on this last column. What is coming over there? PROF, right? Professional PROF. Now when you will see what are the unique elements within it, okay, you can see clerical, management, manual, professional, skill, manual. Okay, and when we will see unique elements over here, you can see everything is 4 in number, right? Whether it is clerical, CLER, management, MANA, manual, MANU, professional, PROF, skilled, SKIL. Okay, it is more applicable when we are dealing with some words which we can shorten easily, and it is universally accepted also, like January, February, like that. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is the thing that is regarding left function. Now we can use the same left in order to extract the varying letters also, like you can see over here. This is email address, right? In email address, before it, whatever is coming, suppose we are considering it as username. And if we want a new column as username, okay? So in this case, you can see these many letters are there in username before it. And here the number of letters is decreasing. Here again, it is increasing like that. It is varying for each and every entries, right? So we can't write a single integer number over there. Okay, because the length is varying. We have to change our function accordingly. We can use left function, but we will search for the position of it so that we can extract the first letters before it. Is it clear, everyone? So we will make a new column. Let us go for a new column. Okay, now here we are writing it as username. Okay, username. Simply I'm writing left. Okay, left, first of all left. Then I have to write the column name. So what is the column name? Email, right? Email address. So this is our column name. Okay, now if we want if we want to extract the position of it, so in that case we have to search for it. Okay, so we will be writing comma, okay, then search, 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 and within search we have to write the column name and before column name we have to write which character we are searching, and then we have to write in which column we are searching that character. Okay, so I'm searching for it. Okay, then I have to write the column name. Okay, so our column name is email address, right? That's it. Okay, so when I will close this, what is happening, you know, this search is actually searching the position of it. If it is at place 7, it will search 7. It will search and find out the output as 7. Isn't it, all of you? If the position of it is at 5th place, then it will give you 5. Like that for each and every record, this value is getting changed. Okay, it is giving an output of integer only, but it is changing for each and every record because it is changing at different records. Position of it is changing, right? So accordingly it will differ. And when I will press enter over there, here you can see Shannon 38 at. Here what was the thing? Shannon 38 at adventurework.com. This is the name of the company, adventurework.com. Like in our official mail ID, yourshop.com, the same way. Okay, this starting words are of username. What was the chat? If date column is not present in table, then how we can create date table with date? Okay. Okay, so I think you may be asking this question because you got task 2, right? Samruch, date column is
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Date column is there in the task. If you will check that, I will explain that too. Okay, in the end of the session. Okay, so here it is coming. You like it? You'd want it in username or not, all of you? It is required or not?
Ma'am, @ and any numeric number is not required in username.
The numeric
how
number
to
is okay. Numeric number, that is okay. I'm asking you whether it is required or not. Not
At
required.
it is not required.
So -1, that's it. Okay, that means it will subtract that thing. Okay, now it is happening. And moving on to your question, like you were asking about that thing, right? Orders. I will take that. There it is. This particular thing, right? Is coming. Okay, here this fulfillment date time stamp, it is that particular column in which date is mentioned. Okay, I will explain that thing. Okay. So let us take go to home. Let us go to home. Okay. CSV. This particular column, you know, it is mentioned date and time, everything is mentioned over here. Okay, this is date and this is time, and this is the Indian Standard Time plus 5:30, right, like that. Okay, so I admit that only few entries are there, but with the help of that, you please try to do that project. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to load it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Actually, it will not load. It will create some problem because some empty row. I will take only that column and I will explain you. Okay. Once again, we will load it. Some of you who have not attended that data cleaning session, I want to tell them that actually some of the rows over here, some of the columns here you can see. It is not having column header. That's why that error was coming. Okay. So whatever unnecessary things are there, you please eliminate them. What is required in your task, only keep those columns only. Okay. So right now, I will transform the data and I will delete some of the columns. Not, I will delete approximately all, because I just want to make you understand that how this date and time is to be dealt. Okay, so I will take this two only. Okay, now I'm going to remove other rows. Okay, only this much I am taking. Now I will close and apply. You don't eliminate rest of the columns. Okay, I just have done that thing to make you understand. Okay, wait a second. Audit subcategories. Once again, let us try to extract it. Earlier, I just loaded it as it is. Now that's why that problem was coming. Transform. Okay. Close and apply. We will close it again. The same issue will come. Okay, we will close it once and we will open it again. Okay. My voice is
So
audible,
not working on
everyone?
my dashboard.
My voice is audible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Yes.
Audible.
Yeah, only these two columns are there right now. Now I will tell you how to extract the, that year and all. Okay. So you can make a new column. Okay, let us take a new column. If you want year, you can extract here. If you want month, that also you can extract. Simply, you have to write year function. Okay. So I'm writing year or order year also we can write. So we can write year. Okay. Within this year, I will be mentioning the column name. Okay. What is it fulfillment of, right? This particular column, and just close it, then press enter. Okay. It came. See, when I was clicking over here, okay, these many date and time entries are there. Okay. They are all in 2019, 18, 20, 21 like that. Okay. So now when I'm taking this order here, you can see 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this is how we can extract year. Same way we can extract month also. Okay. So let us take a new column. Okay. Now I will be taking the order month. Okay. Now same month function is to be used. That's it, nothing else. Okay. There is no rocket science. So here you have to write the same column. Okay, then press enter. Right. And now when you will click over here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, so whatever months are there, it is coming over there. Okay. And similarly, if you want that hour, that was also a confusing thing for a lot of students. So only hour, I mean the last statement of this thing, open. Data analysis. The last statement, that is analysis of number of orders across a part of day, right? So in that case, what you have to do is, you have to write like hours function. Okay. So I will be writing day part, some kind, I mean, whatever name that you want to give, you can write it. Okay. I will be using hour function. Okay. And I will put the same thing over there. Okay. Now what it is, fulfillment of, right? Fulfillment. Then enter. Okay. It will give you numbers from 0 to 24, because there are 24 hours in a day, right? So that will come. It will help you to do the rest of the things. Okay. I hope it is clear. Is it? It's
Yes,
clear, right? So this is how you can use those functions.
clear.
Okay. Any doubts, guys? This is okay. Now you can use it in the second, task, right? Okay. So we will move on, and actually our left is done now only. Yeah, 7 minutes is left, right? So we have to complete the switch statement also. Okay. Switch, let us go to that switch part. First of all, I need that this data modeling. Okay, so here we are having my screen is not in share mode, right? Okay, I will share it. Now it is clearly visible to you, screen and all.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So here you can see in product categories, these many 4 categories were there, right? And actually in product subcategory, you can see the keys are given 1, 2, 1, then 2, like that. Okay, 3, 4. It's not mentioned that which category they belongs. They are subcategory. Subcategory is clearly mentioned, like mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes, but they all come under bike category, right? It is mentioned that one means bike only. Okay, this thing we have done earlier in the class day before yesterday we have actually done the data modeling, right? The same thing we can do with the help of switch function also. Okay, actually there we have made a column with the help of data modeling by connecting those things together. Now we will use a function to do the same thing. We will make an extra column over here, and in place of 1, bikes will come, in place of 2, components will come, place of 3, clothings will come, and in place of 4, accessories will come. That is what we are going to do with the help of a function. So let us take a new column. Okay. Now here I will be writing the category name I will put as category. Okay. Category, and here the function that I'm using is switch. Okay. Sorry. Okay. In this switch, first of all, I have to mention which column name I'm using. Okay. So which column name we are using, guys? Sorry. Yeah.
Subcategory.
Product category key. This will be, we will be using to identify the category, right? So
Oh, yes.
category key. Okay. And we know that in this product category key, wait, where was it? Okay. Wait a second. This was our column, right? 1 means bike, 2 means components, like that. So category, product category key. Then we have to write the, 1 means bike. So we have to write comma 1, comma bike. So wherever 1 is coming, instead of that, what should come? Bike. Okay. Okay. So bike. Right. And then comma, wherever 2 is there, what should come? Components. When only small number of entries are there, this is useful. But when large number of entries are there, then we will go with data modeling and all. Components, then comma, then 3, comma, okay. Then we will write instead of, for 3, what should come, all of you? Any idea? Clothings, okay. And last 4, what is meant by 4? Have you noticed?
Accessories.
Right. That's it, nothing else. And when I will press enter, it's coming, right? In place of 1 bike, 2 components. Now it is more clear that what is subcategory, everything is clear. Okay. So in like in your shops, you can see it is same as that of toys and games, mobile, laptop, accessories. These all were categories, and what is coming inside it, like PlayStation, drones, RC toys, soft toys, they are subcategories. Okay, like this. They are subcategories. The same way it is mentioned here. Okay. So that's it. I hope it is clear to all of you. The class is going to end. Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, so these are some DAX functions. I will forward a PDF in your group. in which lot of DAX functions are there. Okay, lot of DAX functions are there. You have to try them one by one. And whichever project you are getting, whatever task you are getting, you can implement it over there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So your class is going to end. Today was your last class, and now new batch induction. 20th batch have entered in our curriculum. Their induction classes there today, and you will be getting Friday and Saturday classes now onwards. Okay, Friday, Saturday common classes will be there that you will be getting, and status call will also be there for you. Only basic classes are over. Rest of the things is as it is for you. Okay. Is it
Okay, ma'am.
okay? Yeah, I hope it is okay for all of you. Right. Guys, you have done.
Today at 4 p.m.
No, today's no status call will be there because induction session is there. Na? That's why I won't be able to take the status call.
Okay.
Okay, madam.
Tomorrow onwards, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and Thursday. Those 3 days status call will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
And Friday, Saturday, you will get some classes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then bye all.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, bye. So all the best for your task and all. Have a nice day.